Ahoy, lads and lasses! It's your boy, Captain Quillen! Hi, Captain Quillen! I can hear you! Hi, Captain Quillen! Whatever. Anyway, so I got this really big box here. And I got it from my man, Caleb Phillips. Because he left Trilogy. He departed from the way. And he was just like, yo, you want some discs? And I was just like, I want all of them. So, this is all of them. And I'm just gonna go through all of them. This might take a while, so buckle up. Enjoy, get comfortable, whatever. And quick shout out to Milwaukee Castback. This thing is like the Catalina wine mixer of utility knives. I mean, you have to believe. You have to believe me. Anyway, let's see what's inside. It's the Catalina wine mixer. The Catalina wine mixer. Anyway, look at that packaging job. Look at that. Do you know how much stress I'm gonna let go of there? Now this box took like over a month to get here. So he sent me a picture of like all the discs. I've forgotten all of them except for like 2, maybe 3. Anyway, just gonna start from the top. Start from the top. Start from the top. Start from the top. Ooh, and I have his phone number now. Get ready for some spam. Just kidding. I'm gonna call you about your car's extended warranty. This, I like this. It's purple. I'm guessing it's an EMAC shrink. Let's see. Oh, knew it. In John, we trust. I don't know who John is, but John, I trust you. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that black ghost stamp. Another EMAC Truth. Love it. Dude, I'm gonna lose this so quick. Just kidding. I'm not gonna throw it. That's... Oh, now this. You guys should know. I'm a Suspect guy. Black Lucid X Sus. Oh. A black classic soft Suspect? Dude, I've already lost 3 discs and I've only pulled out 4. What is happening? Ooh. Look at that turtle. Hi, turtle. What are you? Marshall. Marshall. You hit my nose with a football. That's a real beaut right there. What's that? 174. I don't know if you guys can see like the burst in it, but this is a beautiful disc. Marshall, may I? You may. And then some more Marshalls. Triple stamps. You can't double stamp a triple stamp. You can't triple stamp a double stamp. You can't. Well, they did. I love Marshalls. I love them. And I just got 6 beauties. Ooh. Now this is definitely a thrower. And so is this. I'm surprised Caleb Phillipson. I'm surprised you didn't lose that. I mean, you've definitely thrown that in. Oh, and she signed the back of it. How did you not lose that? I don't know. some mysteries are left to be mystery. Ooh, look at that. I love these dies. These are such a creative way of, I don't know, putting something on a disc. It's always creative, it's always fun, but like these like shatter stamps, or shatter dies, friggin' love them. And black. Alright. Oh, man. I love hand dye. What up, hand dye? But that's sick stamp, sick like color on it. I'm surprised at how much you haven't lost discs, based on how many I've pulled that are already black. I mean, that's impressive. Well, that was anticlimactic. Alright, cardboard. Let's see if I can do it with this one. I'll have fun with this later. Get off of there. Don't throw plastic on heaters, boys. You've got baseboard heating. Alright, this is a triple. Round 3. Defeated by plastic. Just like my golf game. Anyway. Ooh, look at that UMAC. I bet that thing is nice. Now this is the one that I was just like, I bought this box a month ago. Thanks to USPS for taking so long to get here. Following tracking, it took 3 weeks to leave Baltimore and get to Frederick, which is like an hour drive. So how it took you 3 weeks to get there, I don't know. And that's not even when it arrived, that is when it left Baltimore. Just so you know, lads and lasses. But this, the warship, and the finish, look at that. Percy. Look, I'm learning Finnish from discs, alright? Who says disc golf wasn't educational? Put that right there. Alright. Ooh. What do we have here? It's an EK. Oh, and it's a warship. Okay, we're just gonna put you right in here. Don't even have to throw it. I already know it. Oh, what? Convicts. Yes. Yes. Ooh. Look at this. You gave me one of each. I love it. Alright. Man, you just love losing discs, don't you? So it takes my breath away. A Ballista Pro, and it's a bottom stamp. Look at that. What up, Tristan Tanner? Sick. Whew. I have not thrown a Ballista Pro, and I haven't thrown a getaway, but I'm going to. And also, shout out to Citrus Watson. Sorry, forgot your name. But Cyrus. Yo, Cyrus. Rising AM. I'm gonna tag you in this disc. But this is a double stamp of his. His original stamp, super sick. Follow him. He just got on Team DD, and that's Brad. Definitely could throw you, even though you're not an explorer, which is the superior disc. Sergeant, first run sergeant. These are great throwers. I don't care if they're first round. And put it in your bag. Do it! Do it, do it, do it! And a moon. Look at the way the moon shines on that thing. I know it's daylight, whatever. Alright. another criminal. How many criminals are in here? Oh, that's not a criminal. Okay. These are super rad throwers, especially if you like overstable. A lot of people like to compare them to felons. Don't see the comparison. They're both overstable discs, but they are completely different shots. I have one criminal, and then they went OOP, or it retired. But not really a great comparison. So glad I have more. Now I can actually throw it. I don't like throwing retired stuff. I don't feel like paying way too much money for something that whatever. Anyway. A cutlass. Or a cutlass. Why would you cut a lass? That's so rude. Anyway. Excited to see what this does. Never thrown one. Never held one. No. Looks kind of like my Defenders. So, it's probably very Defender-like. Does it have a spot in my bag? What are you? Oh, sorry. Let's find out. But this, look at that. Oh, that blue and that white matte stamp. I love matte stamps. I don't know why. I don't know why, so don't ask me. But, oof. That's great. 174 too. You are a heavy mother. I like that. I like that a lot. Alright, what's next? Ooh, a black and gold stamp on an orange disc. Volume XXX. Whoa. Alright, don't show this to the kids. I. Meat slice. Okay, that's rude. Prostate doubles. Probably they're doubles or whatever state you're in. Because I don't know information on Warhorse. Yo, these things are beef supreme. I had one for a while. I think I gave it away. I don't remember what happened to it. Ooh. I don't know why that's a horse on there when this should be the war cow. Because this thing's gonna be some beef. Beefy. 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 Oh, are you beefy? Oh, beefy. 4 war horses. And look at this. Felon. Oh. Oh. I love that stamp. Takes me back to my Narnia days. And another felon. Woo. Now this is a felon. Oh. I don't know how you didn't lose half of these discs, because they're either black or they're see-through. I don't get it, but I love it that you managed to not lose them. Impressive, son. Impressive. Okay, this is awesome. I get to have a comparison. What are you? It's another pink sparkly felon. So, as I was saying, Rising Am. This guy's sick. So here's the double stamp, and here's what the stamp is supposed to look like. And it's on a felon, and it's pink, and it's sparkly. Oh, my dreams have come true. Oh, and it's got that oil slicks. Caleb, why did you leave Trilogy? You did this. I need to light a candle. I mean, this thing's. Yep. I said it. I did it. You saw it. Oh, I went the other way. Whatever. Did he? It's a sergeant. Sick. Chameleon dye or chameleon plastic. I don't know if he went somewhere and got this. But it's got a bunch of names on there. I'm not reading them all right now. Or will I? I'm not. I won't. But anyway, sick. I love sergeants. Did I say that I love sergeants? Because look at that sergeant. Ugh. King of Walsh. Walsh, I don't know who you are, except for the Olympic Walsh. But, you know, tell me this is justice. This feels like a justice. That looks like a justice. Look how flat that is. Look how overstable it looks already. It's a pink, sparkly, oil stamp Tristan Tanner Justice. Is this another one? With the white matte stamp. Caleb, my boy, what are you doing to me? Yeah. All right. You should leave Trilogy more often and send me all your discs. That's what I'm saying. An SPZ-1 in another losable color. You were impressive, my man. I mean, how you have thrown these and not lost them. That's a sentiment to myself. 174. So I've thrown obviously the Trilogy challenge. It was the SPZ-3. And this is the one, and this is a putter, and it feels nice. It feels very familiar, very new, very straight, and very reliable. As a throwing putter, I would probably put it there with a Warden. As a putting putter, like Warden, I don't know. I would guess 2301. A Michelin. I have heard many stories in my days, but I've never actually thrown one. But now, I get the opportunity to try this out. I've heard it's a joke, and that's why they kind of pushed it OOP for retired. But I know somebody in my club who friggin' adores these things. I don't know. We'll find out. Look at that Raider. Didn't even put your name on it. I love it. That oil slick stamp. One second. Toss the crap out of this thing. Oh, look at it again. And this is the last one of the box. All right, get out of here. I'm gonna guess a getaway. No, it's a Raider. Oh, it's a 169 Raider. Ooh. In that seafoam blue, aqua, white matte stamp. I mean, this thing is sick. So, anyway, hope you had fun. I had fun. I literally was checking the door every 15 minutes because I saw that it was in delivery, and it's here now. So, shout out to C. Phillips. Check him out. Even though he's left Trilogy. But anyway, stay classy.